breaker 19, breaker 19. This is the Big Bridge. We're heading at the final destination for the OG Child Podcast. Do you copy?
Thanks, 10-4. Roger, 10-4. And all units, please, 10-45.
Yes, thanks for vibing here at the OG Child Podcast. This is your host, Tyrone Dawson. We are back with another banger. We just landed here in Maine. The weather is 56 degrees. The time is 6 a.m. on a Saturday. Feels good out here. Talk about relationships. Relationships are difficult here with everyone leading their own way, wanting to be their own person. Relationships are difficult. Relationships are, it's very hard, especially when you're not married to a couple. Everyone has their own opinion about everything. Today, we're going to discuss relationship situations. Okay? I really want to be in a relationship, but I am scared because all the women that I come across are very, what word am I trying to use? Scandal? That's the word. Maybe I'm looking or I'm approaching the wrong women. But if you are in a relationship and you are happy, marry that woman. Ladies, marry that man, because it's nothing out here. People are having kids out here. Everybody is disoriented. No one wants to follow by the rules. Once you get married, it gives you a sense of stability. I'm not married, so I'm not a good person to talk about marriage. But I do have friends who leads the right way. They are married and they do show good intent to their wives. So I just want to say congratulations to all the people that are married, especially if you got kids with a person. That's a great thing. But I want to talk about this topic about 50 Cent and his son Marquise. Marquise is giving 50 Cent a hard time. I watched the interview with 50 Cent baby mothers going on the air saying that he was a deadbeat dad. But if you put everything together, 50 Cent did everything the courts asked him to do. He paid his child support, and it seems like the baby mother refused to let 50 Cent get his way with her. 50 Cent made it big. It was said that 50 Cent was giving her $25,000 a month. She had another man. 50 Cent purchased the house for them. Her new boyfriend moved into the house, and the house got burnt down. It said that it was a firebomb thrown in the house, and she accused 50 Cent of doing it. His son Marquise was about 11 years old at the time when all of this was going on. So, is Marquise mad at 50 Cent because of the house burning and his mom's put in his head that 50 Cent don't want to be bothered, or what? But it was said that they went back to court after 50 Cent was giving her $25,000 a month, and the judge reduced the payments to $6,700 a month. They're trying to say that wasn't enough money for little Marquise to be taken care of with the lifestyle that his mother and him had. But you gotta realize she had another boyfriend. I think she had another baby with the guy. So $6,700, is that enough to take care of one child? That comes up to about $82,000 a year, something around that range. But she feel like he was giving her more money, $25,000, and she wanted more on top of the $25,000. She took 50 Cent to court, and the judge said, no, you're not entitled to that much money. You are entitled to $6,700 a month. So, was she trying to pimp 50 Cent? Or did she feel like she was entitled to the lifestyle that 50 Cent had? Now, Marquise needs to stay out of grown people business. Marquise was a child. She brung the son into all the financial situation. And now Marquise is running with this. And he's saying that his father could have gave him more money. It's not about the money. It's about your father trying. If your father is trying and you want to do your research and go to the court and see, why are you giving Mr. 50 Cent a hard time? I love my sons. I love both of my sons. I love two handsome young fellas. I love them to death. But until you have your own children, you will not understand the court systems. You cannot go to someone's house unexpected. You have to have the agreements with the other party. I got myself in trouble like that, thinking I could just go to somebody's house and grab my child. No, it doesn't work like that. You are breaking the law. So it's protocols to everything that you do. So until someone has their own child, they will understand what men go through when it comes to relationship that doesn't work out. That's why it's always good to marry a woman that you have a kid with. If you don't like that woman and you don't want to marry her, you need not to be with that woman. Especially if you're having sex, not having unprotected sex. So, you know what I'm saying? But we are here at the OG Top Podcast. We talk about real life situation. It's very hard out here with relationships, especially when kids are involved. But I love my sons to death. I get a kick out of seeing them growing up and then me all over again. So I just want to salute all the dads out there. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep trying, regardless how hard it is out here. Just keep trying and hopefully something to break through. But here, once at the OG Ty Podcast, this is your host, Tyrone Dawson. We all are in this together. We are men, women. You know what I'm saying? We are black men, black women. We need to come together and figure out a solution on how to be better parents. I don't want to hold you guys up. Once again, here at the OG Top Podcast, and we are out. Peace.
She didn't have to have a house up in the hills. I never heard her ask for some car with the chromed out wheels. But all she wanted was some love and affection. But all I did all the time was neglect the fact that she was lonely. I used to be her home. I used to talk about how I was gonna get us out the hood. But as long as we're together as a family, then it's all good. Because any man can make a baby, but it takes a real man to be a father. Talking about a family, the kid, you and me, is not a fantasy, but it's reality. You see, love is wrong and love is right. But if love is strong, then love is tight. Talking about a chemistry, it's like a bride to be. It's not a fantasy, but it's reality. you walk. When all the time knowing that I didn't mean to holler out and call you bitch until you leave. I admit it, I was wrong, but now it's over. Come on home, I can't take it. Here is where you belong. Peeping out the window, looking for the mailman. I hope he's got a letter, says I'm missing you and little man. And then I saw you with another, made it hard for me to breathe. But when I play the game for gigs, I should've played the game for keys. Because any man can make a baby, but it takes a real man to be a father. Talking about a family, the kid, you and me, is not a fantasy, but it's reality. You see, love is wrong, and love is right. But if love is strong, then love is tight. Talking about a chemistry, it's like a bride to be. It's not a fantasy, but it's reality. Now I want the shoes that you talked about in your song, but it's been a change. I've got a new pair on, yes. Now every night and day I'm still away in a lonely spot in the music. Think about how you set the record straight. Any man, yeah, can make a baby, but it takes a real man to be a father. Oh, yeah, about a family, the kid, you and me, is not a fantasy, but it's reality. You see, love is wrong and love is right.